Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob here. Sorry I haven't had a video out in a while. But here is a mail call from Jack of One. So let's sit back, relax, and check out what he sent us. Mail call from Patrick at Jack of One. Check out his channel. We've got a cool SKS. Sorry, SK Abani. Another SK. Abani. Let me sort these out and I'll get back. Okay, I got this laid out. We got this cool Wilton C-clamp, number 402. That'll clean up really beautiful. Next up, a Bonnie 199, freaking awesome. These are awesome. We got a Williams 637. That's a Mac. Mac had some custom tools made. I know I do have a couple of Bonnie Mac, and we've got this Williams Mac now. So that's cool. We got this Allen key, Swiss made. Number 20. So that'll clean up really nice. That's kind of almost a plastic or a Bakelite. Some small tool tweezers for getting those tiny little parts out. This Eklund with the Torx bits. This, I can't tell you how valuable this is. A Bonalloy Bonnie 3/8, number 1160. This 1164 Bonnie in 5/8. A really awesome Blue Point 1/2 inch by 9/16 double box end. This Walden Worcester chrome vanadium. That's cool. I have a few vintage Walden tools. A bi-level universal. This is going to clean up really beautiful. We've got the Husky 10 millimeter. Can always use a 10 mil. Snap-on 1/2 inch. Awesome. We got a Bonnie 1/16. Another Bonnie, and these are the older Bonnies, chrome vanadium, 1 1/8. We've got some SK sockets. Really awesome. Here we've got a long C Craftsman extension. That's what, 10 inches. A Cornwell 2-inch extension. Funny thing is, I got a Cornwell dealer that stops and get gas the same time I stop and get gas in the morning at the gas station. I might have to hit him up for a catalog and maybe buy some tools. Snap-on extension. A Bonnie 426A. Trying to read that upside down. 13/16 by 7/8 tappet wrench. Two really cool snap-on open-end wrenches, combination wrenches. 16 and we'll have to clean that one up to 7/16 snap-on. Super awesome this morning. Thank you so much. So go check out his channel. I'll share links below. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that mail call from Patrick over at Jack of One. So make sure you check out his channel, subscribe to his channel, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.